I, Nirvanjan.
And I, Samarth Kalra of Amity Masundra Sector 6. We are the founders of Medicine Bank. Medicine Bank is an online website that helps poor people and needy people to get medicine for free. Our app is also available in Hindi. We are working on daily medical equipment and basic medicine.
This is our website. Now let me explain how does it work. Anyone who is having spare medicine or even otherwise who wants to contribute to this medicine bank can donate the medicine through virtual mode by entering the details of the medicine. What are the benefits? Provide free medicine to poor people and who are not in a position to buy. Availability of medicine during odd hours. Direct link of the person who is having the medicine. No exchange of money involved. If you want to donate the medicine, you need to fill the form. This is the form. Here, you need to enter the details of the medicine. When you click the submit button, your medicine gets added into the list. Here is the list.
Our future prospect is to collaborate with delivery-oriented companies, and doctor's prescription is mandatory for these medicines.
Was the site easy to use, and what was your overall experience using Medicine Bank?
The site was very easy to use and I had a smooth experience with it.
Were you able to donate your medicines easily?
Yes, I successfully donated some of my unused medicines.
Would you recommend Medicine Bank to someone known to donate their unused medicines for the charitable cause?
I would highly recommend using Medicine Bank to my family and friends and urge them to donate to this good cause.
Was the site easy to use and what was your overall experience using Medicine Bank?
Yes, the site was very easy to be used and overall we can say that this site is very helpful for everyone. I mean, people can use this site and this will be very helpful for everyone.
Would you refer to someone known to donate their unused medicines?
Yes, surely I will, because it is a help for the needy.